Okay, I need to start getting through some of these packages because it's getting out of hand. So let's see what I got in this package. Wow, wait, I don't remember ordering this many things. Let's see what we got. Okay, first is a little hair clip. So cute. Oh, I think this is a workout set. And I'm actually going to Viv Cycle tonight, a cycling class. And I'm taking my friend Nicole with me. I messaged her and I was like, do you want to come? And she was like, oh my gosh, I just logged my 300th ride with them. And I was like, cool, it'll be my first. Like, what? She's crazy. She works out all the time and I work out. I was doing once a week for a while and I was like pretty proud of that, and then I like fell off. So we're gonna get back into it. It's a two-piece set. It's like a pant and a sports bra. I'll try on all of this at the very end. That way I can show you what all I got, and then we'll try it on and we'll see everything on. Ooh, I am excited about this one. So this is a two-piece set, kind of like a loungewear. I got it because I was like, anytime that we have Bachelor Monday, when I go over to my friend's house, I always need something to wear and I wanted something comfy. These are wide leg pants, navy blue color. And then I think it's a long sleeve top if I remember correctly. It's like a scoop neck. Love a matching two-piece set because you just automatically look put together. Next, I got a couple graphic tees for Easter. I thought this is super cute. I think I just got like a size small. Look at how cute this one is. Honey Bunny. I thought it was so cute. Let's try these on.